gathered here in this beautiful place, surrounded by wild nature and under this magnificent waterfall to witness your wedding vows. Jacob, will you take Yana as your lawful wife and to live in this happy and loving marriage?
Ano?
Do you vow your love for her? And will you love her, honor, and cherish her in sickness and in health, for richer or for poorer, for better or for worse, and forsaking all other? Be faithful to her for as long as you both shall live.
Ano?
And Yana, will you take Jacob as your lawful husband and to live in this happy and loving marriage?
Ano?
Do you vow your love for him? And will you love, honor, and cherish him in sickness and in health, for richer or for poorer, for better, for worse, and forsaking all other? Be faithful to him for as long as you both shall live.
Ano?
Hold me tight, don't